One more time for this year. One more time for 2017, baby. Hey, let's go, man. Last one together, man. Let's make it our best one.
Take it on three.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
He hands off to Anthony Sherman, who fumbles the football, picked up by the Broncos.
No.
This is Zaire Anderson running to the goal line. Touchdown, Denver.
That's unbelievable.
Henry and Mariota run into one another. Oh, my goodness.
Oh, my God.
Utter disaster. They hand Jacksonville 6 free points.
Flacco play fake to Campanaro. He throws. Complete to Chris Moore. No, it's intercepted on the 10-yard line.
They caught that?
Breaks through the right side, 35-30, cuts to the middle. Ball comes out, flies into the hands of Keenan Allen. Right place, right time.
Hey, that's so lucky.
Donnie Jones wears his sweatpants onto the field, then sheds them and throws them behind him.
Oh, my goodness.
I can't feel my hands. I forgot it, bro. I literally can't feel my fingers, bro.
Come on, let's go. Hey, let's go. You know what we got to do. You know what we got to do.
Oh, God, he's wide open.
Throws a corner route intended for Demaryius Thomas. Thomas with the catch. Touchdown, Denver.
Good drive, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah.
We're good. They're going to get some yards, but we just got to stop them.
Let's go win the game. Let's go win the game. The greatest 4-minute drive ever right here.
Slow your mind down, slow everything down the way you want it. Your tempo, okay? Not their tempo, your tempo. We're going to go 2 minutes here, right?
Hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry up.
Jarius Byrd has a pickup at the laundromat.
The direct snap to Amir. He flips it to Tate. Tate's going to throw it to Stafford. That's a 2-point conversion. How about a little razzle-dazzle to end the season? And Stafford just threw that football to the upper deck.
We got to watch the scoreboard right now. So hopefully some teams win for it.
This is it. The Bengals can't gain 12 yards. The Baltimore Ravens are headed to the postseason. Inches up in the pocket, throws, caught by Boyd. The 15, the 10, the 5, touchdown!
And disbelief has shrouded the stadium.
It's been 3,278 days since the Titans' last playoff game.
Congratulations, good job. Let's go see how far we can take this thing.
Let's go. We're in.
Yes, sir.
We're in, baby. We're in, baby.
Way to go.